Hi, this is Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate, because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. All right, Star Atlas community. Settle in, because this past event was buzzing with that electric, calm before the storm energy. It felt like everyone was holding their breath, excited for a massive wave of releases and updates about to hit. We got some serious insights into what's on the horizon, from game-changing mechanics to huge community initiatives. Let's dive right into one of the biggest announcements, the new Iris's Blessings campaign. This isn't just a fleeting event. It's a 6-month-long extravaganza designed to truly reward the dedicated Star Atlas community. We're talking monthly prize draws with over 5,000 in Stratus assets up for grabs. Think incredible ships, valuable crew packs, and so much more. On top of that, there will be double XP weekends every single month, which isn't just about gaining XP. It'll also boost your income and future sync points. You can snag tickets for these draws by being active in events, and even just by doing daily check-ins. Make sure you keep that daily streak going, because there are sweet bonuses for consistency. And speaking of sync points, we got a much-anticipated update on the sync dashboard and points season. The team is knee-deep in heavy testing right now, ironing out all the kinks to ensure a super smooth and polished experience for everyone. In fact, they're even looking for a new wave of community testers, so if you've got some time and a knack for finding bugs, raise your hand. The good news is, testing is going well, and there are some exciting benefits coming specifically for the Star Atlas community that they're pretty hyped about, though they're keeping the exact details under wraps for now to avoid any spoilers. Then came the Holosim updates, and these were huge. The biggest takeaway? Holosim is finally reaching a new level of reliability and performance. Major advancements mean we can expect less lag, fewer disconnections, and an overall much smoother experience for the next chapter. But it's not just about stability. The next Holosim chapter is also introducing NPCs, bringing exciting PvE elements into the game, and a completely revamped starbase system that will heavily emphasize territory control as the main driver for victory. Plus, they're adding a robust achievement system, tying meaningful gameplay milestones directly into your sync point progression. For those who crushed it in the previous Holosim chapter, keep your eyes peeled. An announcement on rewards, along with a verified leaderboard, is dropping very, very soon. Oh, and for a bit of fun, they even teased some censored character models for the Samian faction, which sparked quite a few laughs. Beyond the game itself, the event was packed with community highlights. A massive shout-out went to the absolute legend Archetype, who's celebrating 1 year of incredible contributions to Star Atlas, starting as a community member and now working with the Stratus team. We also raised a glass to APIA for reaching their 200th newsletter episode, providing invaluable weekly summaries to the community. Truly legendary work. Don't forget about the array of weekly events you can jump into. Lore Keepers tomorrow, where you can learn about the Stratus lore and earn tickets, and Gallia Game Nights on Friday. Good news for our North and South American friends. They're adding a new, later game night specifically for those time zones, hosted by the amazing Jindo. On the DAO front, there are some critical proposals up for vote right now, so make sure your voices are heard. The DAOcasters proposal, aimed at rewarding organic content creators, looks set to pass, which is fantastic news for people like Kepler Nets and Beyond the Horizon. The Rogue Data Hub proposal is also gaining traction, and there's an exciting new RSS Bounty Arena proposal that would match funds 2-to-1 for anyone hosting Star Atlas UE 5 game nights or tournaments. A brilliant way to supercharge community engagement in the game. Finally, for all you guild leaders, content creators, and community builders out there, there's an open call. If you're hosting an event or running a cool campaign, reach out to the team. They can actually grant you Iris's Blessings codes to help you reward your community and boost participation. And if you're looking for even more codes, remember that local language brews, like the German, Spanish, or Italian ones, also offer chances to snag some extra tickets. So the message is clear. The calm before the storm is almost over, and the storm itself promises to be exhilarating. Stay active, Keep an eye on those official channels for reward announcements and release dates, and get ready for an incredible new chapter in Star Atlas.